Hi everyone, I am Mansi and I am a project management apprentice at Google. And a lot of you have been asking me that what happens in Google apprenticeship recruiter call or the telephonic round. So when does it happen? What questions do they ask? And most importantly, how should you prepare for it? So in this video, I will walk you through exactly what happened in my case and when what question I was asked, how you can prepare. So if your resume gets shortlisted and you successfully clear the hiring assessment, you will receive this call from the recruiter. And it will be on the phone number you provided during your application. So that is the number you will get the call. Now, one thing I want you to know is this call can come unexpectedly. In my case, the recruiter called me in the middle of the day, and honestly, I had no idea this call was coming. So, for example, if you're working right now somewhere and you get a call in the middle of the day, you can tell the recruiter that you are occupied and you can call them in a specific time, maybe in the evening or tomorrow. So don't panic and you can coordinate with a suitable time with them. So there is no feel pressure to take the call immediately. Now, let's say the call has begun. So the recruiter will tell you that this conversation is being recorded and that they will ask some basic questions about your current background, current, where you're working, what you're doing currently, where are you working, maybe the name of the company and the position you're working in and how many years of experience do you have. So some sort of questions I'm telling you the recruiter might ask. So prepare 30-second introduction for yourself beforehand is my suggestion to you. And you should know what you're doing currently and you're able to explain it to the recruiter. They can also ask you some basic questions like on Google or Google products. So basic knowledge on all the Google products is good to have. For example, Google Workspace can be one of the Google product. You don't have to be perfect, just you should know some of the information about Google and Google products and about the apprenticeship. Of course, they can ask the question that like why do you want to apply for the apprenticeship, or maybe like what are the expectation out of it. And if you have, for example, some kind of experience, like say you have somebody who already have a lot of experience, 4 5 years of experience, and you want to go for apprenticeship, then they will ask you that why are you doing it. So some sort of question around your role is what you can expect. Then another thing, the recruiter told me that they will send me an email with a few questions that they already asked me in the call and that I have to reply back to the email. So there will be a set of questions like 4 to 5 questions and you have to reply back to that email saying yes or no. The call itself will be of 15 to 20 minutes at max. So if you get this call, don't think it of an scary interview round. Think of it as a conversation where the recruiter is trying to understand your background to move forward in the process. So it's a key point if you are good enough, maybe you're communicating properly with the recruiter and answering everything in a right way, because the recruiter is going to judge you. And I heard some of the people came back and told me that after the recruiter call they never heard back. So probably this is the time you give an impression, you give a good good impression so that they move forward with your application. So when you receive the email, read the questions carefully and reply the answer honestly. A key takeaway from my experience is that you should be clear, conversational, and honest when the recruiter will ask you. I would not recommend that you are going to lie and you fumble when you answer. So it's better to prepare beforehand. So as I said that I wasn't aware about this call and I wasn't prepared. So but I tried to make the call to be more conversational and professional. So that would be a key point again. If you have any questions about Google apprenticeship process, drop them in the comments. I will reply back to all the questions. And I'm creating this entire playlist to explain the process step by step based on my own experience. And if you want personalized help with your resume, interview preparation, or your application, you can book one-on-one session with me. The link is in the description. I've already helped several people through the one-on-one calls, and I will keep sharing more resources and videos throughout this series. Make sure you follow me on LinkedIn, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.